Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is a bedside nursery setup. This is a little bit of a before of the bedroom. I'm just going to show you how I'm going to set up next to my bed, my nightstand, my bathroom, which is a mess. I have everything out that I want to organize and work on today. I'm going to do the baby bath cart, postpartum baskets, and just get everything ready in my bedroom for little babe to be here. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm not really sure what I'm doing here yet. I am gonna kind of just empty out everything that I got. I picked up some stuff from Target the other day and just things that I've collected that I'm gonna want on my bedside nursery area. And I am going to clean out my nightstand as well and just kind of organize it with like vitamins that I need or medicines that I need, and just kind of redo this whole little corner because this is where we're going to be with the bassinet and stuff at night. So that's what I'm going to kind of work on. I got these clear, this clear little container set from Five Below, which was cute and just cheap. And so I'm going to do this in the drawers if it's perfect, just to kind of organize some things that are like necessary that I need there. And then I'll probably kind of have some breastfeeding stuff handy here. I don't know if I'm gonna put it in the nightstand or kind of make that basket a little bit of like a breastfeeding basket. But I've got some nursing pads and nipple balm and these cooling gel pads. And then I saw this baby night light I got on Amazon, so I'm gonna open that. So that's like gonna be on my bedside for the middle of the night. I think it's just battery operated. I'll open it in a minute. And then it's just like touch, tap, turn on. So when it's dark and you're not like turning on your big light or waking anybody up. So the other day at Target, I got just some last minute like postpartum and breastfeeding and like random baby stuff that I needed, medicines and things like that. So I'll just kind of quickly go through this bag. Obviously some of this is going to go in the baby cart, gripe water, gas drops. I picked up some of these. I'm going to be making my own, but I picked up some of these lactation cookie bites just to keep up here for if I get hungry in the middle of the night. So this, I know this part of this video is kind of all over the place, but it's kind of going to be like a breastfeeding basket, bedside basket situation. This is like baby stuff, ibuprofen, more nipple cream, baby stool softener for the postpartum, which I will do a separate, not separate, but once I get into the bathroom, I'm also going to include that in this video. Once I get into the bathroom, I have all of my postpartum stuff I'm going to kind of put together too, and that doesn't take that long, so I figured I'd kind of combine it with this Bedside Nursery video. So that is for there. Same with the Tux pads. I'll go into more detail of that in there. And then these are the cookie bites. So I'm gonna kind of see what I can work with here and organize, and yeah.
Concrete, so bittersweet. Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm manic dream at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter.
So this is pretty cool. I received this for my baby shower. I had it actually on my registry, and I've seen really good things about Frida Mom products, and I just love that they have these and make this, because honestly, recovery for me was one of the hardest parts with my first birth. So I obviously wanted to get everything again and know what I would need this time, and I love that they do this. This is just great, like, little kit to have or to get a new mom, because you don't realize like the pain and the things that you're gonna need post-birth. So I just love this. So anyway, I got this, and it's so cute. It comes already like with its own little caddy, which is perfect. I'm going to use this one up here in my bathroom, and then I'll just make a separate basket for downstairs as well. But this is kind of, I just wanted to show like what it came with. I got the Perry bottle separate. I did have mine from before that I kept from the hospital, and I'm sure I'll get another one at the hospital this time, but I'll just use this one in my downstairs basket. But basically it comes with everything in here that you need. So it comes with the healing foam, some witch hazel cooling pad liners, which is the same thing as like these Tux medicated pads. So I'm just going to split. Like I said, I got like double of everything because I'm going to do 2 postpartum stations, one for downstairs and one for up here. It comes with disposable underwear, so I'm going to open those up and put them in there. That's awesome. These are the ice pack pads, which is great. It's definitely a must-have. I remember, like I said, needing this badly. So this is just, I love this. I love this whole little setup. I love that they give you the little caddy to already put it all together. So I'm just going to leave all of that in there. And this is the one that's going to go in my bathroom. And then I will do like a separate basket for downstairs. Okay, so now I'm moving on to the bathroom, and I got this little tiered shelf from TJ MAXX for 20 bucks. I needed something in my bathroom to organize all of the bath stuff, including my toddler's, because he does still take a bath every now and then. He usually takes a shower, but there isn't a lot of room on the side of my tub. I mean, there is, but I don't like it to be all cluttered, and it kind of slants down, so it's hard to keep everything from falling in the tub, and it's just a mess. So I wanted something that I could organize everything and keep it nice and handy next to the tub. So I picked up this little cart, and it's perfect. It took me a few minutes to get everything placed where I wanted it, but I love the result and that I have everything handy: soaps, washcloths, toys, all that good stuff right next to the bathtub. All right, you guys, that wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed this bedside nursery setup and it helped you figure out maybe what you need to do in your bedroom post-birth and getting ready for a baby. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and subscribe if you're new here and you haven't done so already, because I will be putting out a few more nesting videos hopefully before this baby arrives. I am 36 weeks now posting this, so it could be really any time, but my next video should be a downstairs living room setup / like kitchen organization, prep, bottle prep, all of that kind of good stuff. So stay tuned for that, and I will catch you guys then.